The East Khasi Hills Deputy Commissioner and Returning Officer for the Shillong Parliamentary seat, S.C. Sadhu, has issued a general notice in writing to all the political parties on the fresh set of SOPs that parties and candidates should strictly follow. Talking to media, he informed that a meeting will be convened with the representatives of all the political parties and candidates tomorrow to ensure that a week before polls, model code of conduct are to be followed strictly and not to create any disturbance.
A moment back, we issued a general notice in writing to the all political parties about the fresh set of our SOP that parties and candidates should strictly follow, and we are again convening meeting with all political parties on 12th to ensure that just before 1 week before the poll, we will have a meeting with all political parties and the candidates and their representatives to remind them and to again appeal to all of them to strictly follow the MCC militant spirit and also not to disturb each other's campaigns and their political rallies, election campaigns.